How to sign into your Tubi TV account or login. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can sign in to your Tubi TV account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to sign into your Tubi TV account, it is actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all open up tubitv.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to tubitv.com, you'll see this type of interface where if you already have an account and you want to log in, click the sign in option that you can find from the very top right hand side of the screen, and right here you can choose to sign in via your email or your password and then sign in respectively, or you can also sign in with your Facebook, or you can also choose to sign in with your Google account by just clicking the sign in with Google option, and then you'll be successfully signed in to your Tubi TV account. And that's all it takes to go ahead and basically sign into your Tubi TV account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.